Hello, boys and girls. We're going to be doing math, week 7, Sharon Wells. And it's this one, week 4, basic facts 1, please, boys and girls. Okay. All right, it's just basic facts. You have 10 rows. I'll help you with 3 rows, boys and girls, okay? Just to get you started. All right, here we go. 7 times 8, 56. You remember what we say, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 10, 20. Hop over the 0, remember, 1 times 2 is 2. What about 7 times 10? 70. Hop over the 0, 7 times 1 is 7. That is a 0, boys and girls. The next one, 12 times 1, 12. 11 times 11, boys and girls, is 121. 121, but I'll show you the steps. Remember, we go to the ones place. We have 2 theos bailarines. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is another 1. We go to the second theo bailarin. Remember, he's a little lazy. He stays in his spot in the 10th place. So 1 times 1 is 1, but where he's at, another 1 times 1 is 1. Okay? And we're going to add these up. Remember, boys and girls, if that looks weird to you or not right, then you can always add imaginary zeros, boys and girls. Okay? So now we have 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 0 plus 1 is 1. 121, boys and girls. All right, let's continue. We're in row 2, 12 times 5. What I prefer to do, boys and girls, is I like to flip it. 12 times 5 this way. And it's 5 times 2 is 10. There's a 0. Regroup the 1, circle it. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1 is 6, 60. All right, 7 times 7, 49. 3 times 1, 3. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 2, 14. 8 times 9, 72. 11 times 12, boys and girls, is 132, but I'm going to show you the strategies. You start with the ones place. So it's 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1 under the tens place. Another 1 times 1 is another 1. Remember, boys and girls, if you want to add imaginary zeros, you're more than welcome to do so. You add them here, the ones place, and here in the hundreds. So we're left with 2. 2 plus nothing is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus nothing is 1. 132. All right, let's continue, boys and girls. 6 times 7, 42. 12 times 7. 12 times 7 is 84. How do I know that? Because 7 times 2 is 14. There's a 4. Group the 1, circle it. 7 times 1 is 7, plus that 1 is 8. 11 times 8, 88. I think we said one more. I believe, boys and girls, one more row. All right, 10 times 11 is 110. Pop over the 0, and 11 times 1 is 11. 1 times 11, 11. 12 times 9, boys and girls, 108. But 9 times 2 is 18. There's the 8. Regroup the 1, circle it. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 108. 4 times 3, 12. And last but not least, for my doing, 8 times 8 is 64. And you're on your own, boys and girls, for the other rows. Thank you, boys and girls. Don't forget to submit.